Hey guys, this is just a quick video to wrap up my Jeep project. This Jeep body is 3D printed and you can check it out on Thingiverse. I think it turned out not too bad. I used a glue smoothing technique using plain old white glue, Elmer's school glue, to smooth out the body. And these pictures aren't photoshopped in any way, so you can see that in some shots it looks pretty good if I do say so myself. But then from the right angle, you can see that that body is definitely not perfect. And yeah, I mean, I can live with it. The big problem to that glue smoothing technique is that you can't really sand the glue. It doesn't tolerate sanding very well. I think it needs to be on wood for you to get away with sanding. So, yeah, I mean, I think it turned out pretty nice, guys. The other downside to this is actually it's quite heavy, so this crawler, by the time you put this body on with the roll cage and the floorboards and everything, it actually weighs quite a bit, guys. When you're dealing with 3D printed stuff, weight is definitely not a bonus either, because if you roll this thing over hard, I'm sure something is going to break. But overall, it worked out pretty well. When we take a look at the bottom, you can see that I made one more change. I included little feet that poke through the bottom of the floorboards, and then you use body clips to secure it. And that did make for a very solid fit, guys. This thing is attached really nicely now. And the rest is just the standard WL Toys 12428 crawler conversion. It's an SCX-10 clone. That's about it, guys. Thanks for tuning in. This is Wrench to Drive, where we ask the eternal question: do you wrench to drive, or do you drive to wrench? See you next time.